Hey guys, this is your favorite YouTube channel, Heart360, bringing you Heart to Heart with Zhandee. And on Heart to Heart, we're going to be talking about relationship tips and many more. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned. Today's edition is going to be on relationship tips, on how to spice up your relationship, on how to make it fun, on how to jiggle it a little, and we're going to be giving you tips on how to make your relationship fun. So the first one is the compliment. Now we girls, we do not compliment our male spouse. We tend to see them and then we feel, oh, he's looking so good, but then we don't tell them. I feel we should tell them. We should not hold back things we're going to say to them. And then we get to express a lot of things when it comes to compliments. We tell them how good they look, how good they dress, and many more. We just get to compliment them. That's one tip I think we should stick to in our relationship. We should, and for the male, then you don't compliment your girlfriend, but you go outside complimenting other girls. No, you should compliment your girlfriend. You should tell her how beautiful she looks, even when she wakes up in the morning. You should tell her how good she looks, and you should tell her how her dress is the best you've seen, and you should just compliment her hair, her looks, her makeup, her clothing, and basically just compliment. The second tip is going to be about having fun. Now, especially the guys, they don't tend to create time. They're all work, no play. And when they get to play, they play for like 5 minutes and the next thing, I'm going back to work, or I need to do something at work, something. But no, we should learn to like spend the holidays with our spouse or our girlfriend or our wives, even your friends. You should just take out time from your busy schedule and then spend it with your loved one, because she gets bored. You don't expect her to just stay, wait for you to go to work, you come back and you want to sleep or something. No, you should, okay, the weekends, you should take out time, probably go see a movie, do something fun, go to the zoo, have a picnic or something, not just every time indoors. No, it kills the relationship. Every weekend in your house. No, I feel we should go out, have fun, see movies, play around. Like go out, we just play around. But necessarily don't have to see a movie or something, but that's part of it. But we should play around, we should just have fun. And the third tip is going to be on looking sexy. Okay, we girls tend to feel comfortable with our spouse or our partner because I've seen him before. What's the worst that can happen? He has seen me at my worst and my best, so I will dress anyhow. I'll just tie a wrapper or something weird. But no, you should look sexy. You should look sexy. Sexy is the real deal. You need to dress sexy. You need to entice your man. And so I feel you should eat together. You shouldn't serve your foods in different plates. It starts from somewhere. When you get married, you're supposed to like eat together in the same plate. So I feel at this point in time, get used to each other, serve your food in the same place, eat from the same place. And then when you guys are seeing a movie or watching the TV, do you sit on separate chairs? Does one sit there and the other one sit here and you guys are like total strangers in the house? Does the other one press his phone and the other one presses her phone and you all are like total strangers in the house? No. I feel you guys should sit together, or maybe she should lay down, put her head on his laps or something. Just make it sexy, man. Make it sexy. And lastly, I feel we girls especially, we are too proud to say I'm sorry. And that it kills a relationship because he doesn't want to say I'm sorry because of his ego. Men naturally have egos. And women don't want to say I'm sorry because ours is like way bigger. And it starts to kill the relationship because a girl, I have a friend, she offends her boyfriend and she doesn't say I'm sorry. Not because she's not sorry, but because she doesn't want to seem weak. She doesn't want to say, oh, I'm sorry, and then the guy now feels, oh, okay, that's how she's going to apologize the very next time. So she doesn't. But I'm here to tell you on Heart to Heart that we should learn to say I'm sorry in a relationship. It doesn't really matter who offended. I feel saying I'm sorry first kind of it brings people closer. There's this saying that arguments brings people closer, or arguments in a relationship. When two people go through a tough time in a relationship, they get to come back and they get to be stronger. Yeah. So I feel saying I'm sorry doesn't kill anything. It makes people grow. It makes people grow, yeah. And you say I'm sorry, you guys come back together and you learn from your mistakes. And it's not a sign of weakness. Saying I'm sorry in a relationship is not a sign of weakness. It's actually showing you're strong. It's actually showing you can actually forgive. You have the ability to forgive your partner, no matter how grave the offense is. You guys say you talk it out. You both apologize, and then you get over it. You continue from where you stopped, not pray and we should just say I'm sorry, yeah? We should just learn to talk, communicate, have discussions, have conversations, something you don't feel cool with, you talk to your partner about it, and you guys make sure you reach a consensual agreement and say I'm sorry. We girls especially. This I'm sorry is for the girls especially. Learn to say I'm sorry. It doesn't take anything from us. We feel the pride and all, but we should learn to say I'm sorry. So that's all of this episode on Heart to Heart with Zhandee, and I hope this spices up your relationship. I hope it helps you spice up your relationship, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section to tell me how this spiced up your relationship. And if you're looking for me, you can hit me up on my Instagram page at Zhandee8851, ZHANDEE8851, and you can keep a date with me on this our favorite YouTube page, Heart360. Click the subscribe button on your page and stay tuned.